SAP SR3 schema execute. You can find the contents in the table here, or you can use the layout. You can use the Oracle Enterprise Manager like this. Event this password 1 as TDA login ISQL star plus SQL star plus and Enterprise Manager. These are the tools in database level, especially in Oracle. In SAP level, we can access the table by using the transaction code called SC11 and type the table name and execute button. We get the fields in the table and the data in the table. We can get, okay, go to the administration and go to the tables. Schema is SAP schema name, or you can select from here. The schemas available are, these are the schemas available in SAP database. Select table name, object name is object or table name is TSPCB. This also contains transaction code score. Okay, select the table name and go to the show view data and go display all columns. Okay, it contains the table data. There are 19,720 rows, so we can see the each row by selecting X25 like that. Okay, I'm signing out of the log out of the Enterprise Manager and closing Enterprise Manager. It is still running because there are plenty of rows in that TSTC column. So stopping forcefully by pressing Ctrl C and pressing. It is strongly recommended not to use the tables or access the tables from the database level. It is not recommended by SAP. Just for the knowledge check only I am showing this. Next question is, where can I get list of tables in SAP? Where can I get the list of tables in SAP? We can get the list of tables in SAP SC11. Go to the SC11 and SDD02L D0. This is the table name and display. You can find the list of tables in the SAP. Table name, table class. I am selecting these two fields and display content. You can view the list of tables in the SAP. Next question is, what happens if I start a dialog instance but the database and SAP services are down on the central instance? When we start the dialog instance, it starts the SAP SID underscore instance number and SAP OSQL services. This will be available in services.msc. When we start the dialog instance, SAP SID underscore instance number and SAP OSQL services will be started, but the work process will end soon after being started. So the next question is, what happens if I start a dialog instance but only the database services are up in the central instance? SAP service will start. Answer is, SAP services will be started, so will the work process. However, because the message server is down on the central instance, users will get the message no logon possible. When trying to log on, no user logins will work. The process list in the SAP message will stay in yellow. That's it. Next question, if using single sign-on, do the passwords in SAP and Windows have to match? No, no need to match, only user IDs must match for single sign-on. Can SAP be installed on PAT or PAT32 partitions? Answer, no, SAP needs to be installed only on LTFS partitions only. What is SAP MMC good for? The SAP MMC has multiple users, among them starting stop instances and viewing analyzing the developer stage. By using SAP MMC, SAP MMC we can start and stop the SAP systems, and also we can find the developer we can view the developer trace. Next question, after a new installation in R/3 Enterprise, the system has a temporary license. How long does this license last? Answer is, this temporary license lasts up to 4 weeks. After that, nobody can log into the system except SAP. Therefore, users must request a permanent license at the early stage of an installation. Next question, how does an SAP instance read logs? For every log entry, the pointer to the log is maintained in a separate table. All the instances look into this table to detect log entries. The question is, how does an SAP instance read log entries? The answer for this is, for every log entry, the pointer to the log is maintained in separate table. All the instances look into the table to detect log entries. What is the transaction to access the language utility? The transaction for accessing the language utility is /SMLT. SMLT is the transaction to access the language utility. You can use the imported packages, languages, and so on. If you want, you can add the new language by selecting the languages. Okay, here I'm not selecting anything. Next question, how can I see all the available icons in SAP? You can see the all available icons in SAP by using the transaction called BIBS/BIBS. Control library. Display the icons: normal view, stitch, fit, normal center, fit center, clear, normal. Okay. In this way we can see all the icons by using the transaction called PWDM. This is the transaction code, or to see the icons, the transaction code will be BIBS. This is the conclusion of this chapter. Thank you.